Shower arm and flange sold separately. Easy to install. For use with ceiling or wall-mounted applications. Metal ball connector for durability. Ball connector swivel angle is 36 degrees, 18 per side. While other products may gather unsightly mineral buildup over time, Delta Soft Rubber Touch Clean Spray Holes allow any mineral residue to simply be wiped away for an instantly refreshed look, with no need for soaking or the aid of chemical cleaners. Matte black makes a statement in your space, cultivating a sophisticated air and coordinating flawlessly with most other fixtures and accents. With bright tones, matte black is undeniably modern with a strong contrast, but it can complement traditional or transitional spaces just as well when paired against warm neutrals for a rustic feel akin to cast iron. Top reviews from the United States. Happy with my new shower. Just remodeled our master bath and couldn't be happier with all new Delta fixtures. Everything looks amazing. The Rainfall head will soak you and isn't a constant spray like a home improvement store, cheap rain shower head, it drips down out of each individual nozzle like actual rain. It's honestly hard to describe because it's like a perfectly symmetrical inconsistency downpour of hot water over you, if rain was shower temp maybe?